In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Facebook account to another phone. If you've just switched devices and want your Facebook account up and running on the new phone, the process is straightforward. You are not moving the account itself. Facebook stores everything securely online. You are simply signing in on your new phone and then signing out on the old one. To keep things tidy and secure, start on your new phone by downloading the official Facebook app from your device's app store. Make sure you are connected to a reliable internet source, so the download completes smoothly. Once it's installed, open the app. On the sign-in screen, enter the same email address or phone number and the password you already use for your Facebook account. Take a moment to type carefully. Watch for extra spaces, the right capitalization, and the correct country code if you are using a phone number. This ensures you get in on the first try and avoids unnecessary lockouts. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, you'll be prompted to enter a security code. This code is usually sent to your phone by text message or to your email. Keep an eye on your messages and your inbox, including spam or junk folders, because these codes are time-sensitive. When the code arrives, enter it right away in the app. Don't share this code with anyone. It's there to protect your account. If the code expires, simply request a new one from the prompt. Once you are successfully signed in on your new phone and can see your feed, it's a good idea to log out on your old device. This helps prevent confusion with notifications and keeps your account access limited to where you want it. On your old phone, open the Facebook app. Tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines usually found in a corner of the screen. Scroll down the menu until you see the logout option. Then tap it. That's all you need to do to end the session on the old device. At this point, your Facebook experience is fully transferred to the new phone. You downloaded the app, signed in with your usual details, confirmed your identity if asked, and wrapped up by logging out of the old device. If everything looks normal, your profile, your feed, your messages, you are set. Remember to keep your login details private and, when possible, avoid signing in on shared devices. That's the complete process. Thanks for watching.